In our previous video we was learn some basic information about operating system. The operating system is a central structure that allows us to use computer. It is a software program that helps us to communicate with the different parts of computer. And we was learn also working of an operating system, how operating system are works. Suppose if you create one greeting cards to your friend, and now you want the printout of that greeting card, so you give the print command, but how printer will know what to print? So first operating system informs the printer which what or which type printouts you want. Then printer will know this user want these printouts. So operating system informs the printer about the which type of print you want. This is the way the operating systems are work. Now we are going to learn character user interface and graphic user interface. Now what is mean by character user interface and what is mean by graphic user interface? There are many operating systems in the market. Different operating systems use different interfaces such as a character based interface or graphic based interface. Now there are many type of operating system available in market. Different operating systems use different interface such as character based or graphic based. Now first we are going to learn character user interface, which is also known as CUI, character user interface. Without operating system, computer cannot do anything for us. So operating system is a most important thing. Without operating system, computer cannot do anything. Now character user interface. To interact with an operating system that provides a character user interface or CUI, we need to type instructions using a keyboard and get the output also in the form of text. Since we have to type the commands, we need to memorize a lot of commands. Microsoft Disk operating system MS-DOS is an example of CUI. Now there are different type of operating systems are available. Now character user interface. Now in this character user interface we have to type the commands. For that we have to use keyboard. We have to give input, we have to type. Suppose if you want to open file, suppose your file is there, your computer name file is in computer, you want to open that file. Now what you are doing, you are clicking on that file and you choose open option, or you can double click on that file, then file will be open. So in character user interface, if you want to open that file, you need to type the commands. Command means what? You have to type the open, then file name, and you have to press enter, then your file will be open. So for that you need to memorize the lots of command. If you want to close that file, again you have to type the command. So where you have to type command, for that MS-DOS is an external example of CUI. So Microsoft Disk operating system, this is the example of character user interface operating system. Now see, here is the command prompt. Here you have to type the commands. Microsoft DOS CUI. MS-DOS is also called the command line interface. MS-DOS is also called command line interface. When we need to type the commands in the command prompt, and the computer respond accordingly. You have to type different commands for performing different types of operations such as creating a folder, deleting a folder, and editing a file in the MS-DOS prompt windows as shown in figure. Now suppose in this operating system you need to type the commands. For that, where you have to type, you have to open command prompt. This type of window you have to open in your computer. First you need to click on start button and again you have to type command prompt, then this window will be open. Now in this window you have to type that lots of command, such as if you want to create a file you need to type a create for, then if create command. Suppose if you want to delete some folder, that for that again you have to type the command. For example, command means what, only you have to type delete name and name of the file, then file will be delete. So in character user interface, this type of operating system, here you have to type the commands to perform a different operation. Now next operating system is graphical user interface, GUI. To interact with an operating system that provides a GUI, we can use a pointing device like a mouse or a keyboard to give instructions. Now today we are using the GUI operating system, graphical user interface. In that operating system we are using mouse or keyboard. Suppose if you want to open some file, only we are clicking by using mouse, we are clicking on that file, then file will be open. If you have to delete that file, only we are clicking the right button of the mouse and select the delete option, that file will be delete. So in graphical user interface, in this operating system which provides GUI, we can use the pointing device like a mouse or keyboard to give instructions. GUIs use WIMP features, that is windows, icons, menus and pull down menus to interact with the software programs. So graphical user interface operating system use windows, icons, menus and pull down menus to interact with the software programs. Microsoft Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 8 are all examples of GUI. So now today's we are using the Windows 10, Microsoft Windows, these 2000, then Windows XP, Windows 8, that all are examples of GUI operating system. So in character user operating systems we have to type the commands on command prompt. So if you want to open file, if you want to delete the file, if you want to edit the file, for that, or if you want to create a file or folder, for that you need to type the commands. For that you have to use keyboard. For you need to memorize the lots of command. And in a graphical user interface only we have to use mouse or keyboard to open or delete the to open file, create a new folder, only we have to use pointing device, mouse and keyboard. So Windows 8, Windows XP and Microsoft Windows 2000, these all are graphical user interface operating system. Now we are going to learn evolution of Windows operating system. Over the year, Microsoft has developed several versions of the Windows operating system. Let's look the evolution of Microsoft Windows operating system over the years. Now, November 1985, first Windows 0.1. Then in August 1986, Windows 1.3 will be developed. Then Windows 1.4, and in July 2015 Windows 10 will be developed. This is the evolution of Windows operating system. With every version of Windows, new features were added to enhance the functionality of operating system. In this book, Microsoft Windows 7 is in the operating system that you will learn to work with. Now in this book we are going to learn in our next units Microsoft Windows 7 is the operating system that you will learn to work with. Now, knowledge of Windows. Components of Windows: the desktop, taskbar, and the icons together from the main command components of a user interface in Windows. The first thing that you will see is a screen that covers the entire area of the monitor with some small pictures on it. This screen is called desktop and the small pictures are called icon. Now see, this is a desktop screen. This is a desktop screen, and now you can see this small icon. These are the icons. These all are the icons. These icons are on desktop screen. This screen is called desktop, and the small pictures that are on it are the icons. These small pictures are called icons, and this whole screen is desktop screen, and these small pictures are icons, and this downside area which is known as taskbar. This is a taskbar. This is taskbar. This is desktop screen, and these all are the icons. This is a taskbar, desktop, and these small pictures are icons. Here you can see the start menu. Here you can see the start menu. This is a start menu. See, this is a start menu. This is the start menu or start button. Here is the start menu. This whole area, this whole downside area is taskbar. This whole area is taskbar. And here is the systems tray. Here is the systems tray. Here you can adjust the sound, volume of your music. You can change the language. If you want Marathi language, you can change the Marathi language. Here you can adjust the sound. Here you can adjust the sound. So you can adjust the language of your computer. You can see the network. So this area is systems tray. This downside area is the taskbar. This whole screen is desktop screen, and these pictures are called icon. When we have learned about the desktop, icon, and taskbar in earlier grade, I hope you understand this whole concept. Now today we learn first types of operating system, character user interface and graphic user interface. In character user interface, we need to type the commands to open a file, to create a file, folder, and to delete a file or folders. For that we need to memorize lots of commands. Then in graphic user interface, we have to use pointing device, for example mouse and keyboard. Now we are using graphical user interface. Now suppose if I have to open the one folder, only I am clicking on that folder, then folder will be open. And in character user interface, to open this folder I need to type the command. So we learn two types of operating system. Then some knowledge of Windows. We learn taskbar, start menu, icons. The downside is the taskbar. Then this is the desktop, and these pictures are icons. Here is the start menu, and here is the system tray. Here we can adjust the sound, language, we can see the network, we can set the date and time also.